Meaning of fascism.
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 Fascism. Fascism is a far-right political ideology that emerged in the early 20th century. It is characterized by authoritarianism, nationalism, and often racist and xenophobic beliefs. Fascist regimes are typically led by a dictator who consolidates power through propaganda, censorship, and violence. The result of fascism is a society marked by extreme repression, suppression of civil liberties, and the persecution of minorities and political dissidents. Ultimately, fascism leads to the destruction of democratic institutions and threatens the stability and well-being of a nation.